if you are willing to demonstrate the microstrand technology for making your hair naturally fuller while keeping your existing hair safe and healthy, you can get the microstrand technology for 50% off, possibly for free, and also possibly us paying you to demonstrate the microstrand technology, all based on your level of comfort and experience in demonstrating a product. So here's how it works. All you do is contact us and we'll be able to qualify you. Now here's where the qualifications come in. Sometimes we look for models to demonstrate the microstrand technology. Sometimes we only need models with long hair, sometimes models with mid-length hair, sometimes models with short hair or very short hair, sometimes models with straight hair or curly hair or wavy hair or kinky hair. All right, so all different types of models demonstrating the microstrand technology is important. So therefore we connect with all different types of hair types, all different types of hair volume. Now here's something very important. Due to the invention of the microstrand technology, any amount of hair can be added. This is very important. Here's a perfect example. Just the other day, we had somebody that was thin all through their whole head, but we wanted to lower the price. So what we did is just fill in a portion of the top, and it appeared as if her hair just started to grow in. Using the microstrand technology, everyone will have many options. Many options means you could fill in 10% more hair, 20% more hair, 50% more hair, 100% more hair. You could fill in a small percentage in just one area. So therefore, that gives everyone many options. And even in reference to you becoming a demonstrator, you'll be able to demonstrate any of those options, the option that you're most comfortable with, okay? So contact us to see if you qualify to become a demonstrator of the microstrand technology and receive 50% off, or possibly for free, or possibly we will pay you to become a demonstrator. Thank you.